Hey there! Do you love diving into unique and unconventional knowledge? Then boy, do I have something for you. Introducing Unusual Substance, the ultimate VIP experience on the forum everyone's buzzing about blackhatworld.com. Imagine a secret world where junior executives uncover hidden strategies, cutting-edge techniques, and uncharted territories of online success. Unusual Substance grants you exclusive access to a community of ingenious minds who thrive on pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a digital marketer, or simply curious about unconventional methods, Unusual Substance is your golden ticket. Gain invaluable insights, take part in engaging discussions, and discover untapped opportunities that can skyrocket your online game to the next level. Are you ready to make your mark in the digital world? Join Unusual Substance on blackhatworld.com today and unlock a world of limitless possibilities. Remember, the unconventional path often leads to extraordinary success. See you on the inside.